everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make an iPhone charging cable last longer. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over a few basic things that you can do to make something like this last longer. Now let's face it, iPhone charging cables are great. Even though the majority of the future phones and stuff are going to be wireless, we're still going to have a need for charging cables for many years to come. And they're absolutely fantastic, but over time, just like any other cable, they tend to stop working properly. And I'll tell you the main reason why. There's a lot of bending happening when you're plugging your phone in and taking it out. And when your phone charging cable gets tossed in your bag, in your backpack, in your purse, in your pocket, it constantly bends. There are thin wires in here, so no wonder they don't last long. Now there are two things that you can do. The first, all you need actually is a pen. So I've actually taken this pen right here. I've already pulled this out, and if it's like a pen like this where it's gonna sort of have that push button action like that, then there's gonna be a spring on it. You can take off the spring, okay? And you know, maybe use a pen that has already run out of ink, because you're not going to be able to use the pen for the most part once you remove the spring. Now, your spring is probably going to be in better shape than this one. I've already actually bent this one by accident, but I'll show you what to do. First, you can actually take the spring, and you want to wrap the spring around the cord just like that. So you can actually take the cord, put it in the middle of the spring, and then start wrapping the spring around it like that. So, sorry, I'll show you on camera. That was a little bit off camera. But what you can do, let's try that one more time. You can take your cord, take your spring, and you can actually just wrap it around just like that and continue wrapping it like that. So you can do something like that if you really want to. Okay, you can continue wrapping it around and around and around and around, and it just continues going until you're done, just like that, okay? Or what you can do, and that's going to give it some reinforcement, or what you can do is go to the end of the spring. It's probably going to be really coiled up towards the end. What you're going to do is take your nail, sorry, I'm really off camera. Take your nail and just pull it out. Pull that coil out just like that. You want to stretch it out, okay? And you really only need just a little bit of the spring, so if you want to cut it, you can to make it shorter. But what you want to do is get that coil right out there, okay? Almost done. And this way it's easier to put on. Well, I'll just show you what it looks like when I'm done. So right now I've taken that coil and I've stretched it out like that. I would actually just cut off all of this remaining right here. All that you need is like that much right there compared to my finger. That's all you need. You can take that and then wind it around the cord. So slowly but surely, okay? And I'm not going to do it in this video because it's going to take a while. It's going to take you 5 minutes at least, probably. Slowly but surely, take that coil and just wrap it around. So I would go take the coil like that, and I would just start wrapping it around, okay? Anyways, when it's done, essentially it's gonna cover that much. It's still gonna allow it to bend, but it's gonna give it some reinforcement, so it allows it to last longer. Is it gonna last forever? No, it's not supposed to, but it's gonna last a lot longer. The second thing that you can do, which is much faster and much easier in my opinion, but it does leave some residue on the cord, is just get some tape, wrap like, I don't know, I'd say like 3 to 4 inches of tape around here, like length. Just wrap it around a couple layers each. Any tape would be fine. I would recommend using electrical tape because it's going to be the most pliable and it's going to be the strongest. But just wrap it around, and just like I said before, it's going to reinforce it. It's going to allow it to be a lot stronger. And that's going to make your iPhone charging cable last longer. I apologize for not taking the time to wrap this around my charging cable over here. This one actually already broke. That's why I made this video, because I wanted to learn for the next time. So I'm not going to wrap it around this one. It's already broken. It already doesn't work. I'm going to wrap it around my next one that I'm going to get, the next one that I'm going to get. I also don't want to make you sit around for 5 minutes as I take this spring and I just slowly wrap it around. But believe me, just take your time and wrap it around and around. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.